Today is the day. I am tackling Chinese soup dumplings. Never made them before. I am not a fabulous cook, but with the step-by-step instructions, I feel very confident that I can get the job done. So I decided that I am going to go for the burgundy mushroom soup dumplings. Going into this, I had no idea how you actually got that soup inside of the dumplings. So very excited to learn that you kind of make the soup into a solid using the agar powder. Let's get everything unpacked so you know what's inside. So it comes with everything you need, including your instructions, several recipe cards, the agar powder, the liner for the bamboo steamer, a wooden spoon, and then of course the steamer itself. Your dough is a very simple flour, water, and oil. You'll make a little well in your flour and add your water and oil. Mix it together real well until it's incorporated, and then start kneading for about 5 minutes. Make a ball, put it in a bag, let it rest 30 minutes. In the meantime, I am getting my vegetables ready for my soup broth and my filling. This is the part I love. It feels so organized. Then I added my agar powder to my strained broth. Got my dough out, split it in half, rolled it out into a log. There is a ruler right on your instructions, which is handy, and then cut it into even-sized balls. So here's the tricky part, getting your dough thin enough. And I did struggle with that, and that's okay. You learn as you go, and I look forward to the next time. I took my filling, added my cut up agar, and added it to my dumpling. Now, the next tricky part is just getting it put together with the pinching and turning motion, but I feel like I did pretty well considering it was my very first time ever making a dumpling of any kind. You'll line your basket with the liners, set your basket down in the water, add your dumplings, and steam for about 10 minutes. Here is my finished product. Yes, I know my dough was a little thick, but they were delicious and so moist on the inside. I was truly impressed.
All right, let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so good. I've learned so much and I am so excited to try this recipe again. I know that my dough was a little bit thick and that's probably everybody's struggle, but I'll get it right the next time.